I got this kobalt router table from Lowe's for about $130. Let's open it up and put it together. This box is pretty small. It would pretty much fit in all type of cars. Once open the box, these are the parts. Make sure you are not missing anything. Let's put it together. Take the tabletop, flip it over, find those screws and use a crosshead screwdriver. Put it on like this. The black piece is the power and switch. Next, find this big blue plastic. This is the table leg. Use Allen wrench that comes with it. Take off those screws from the blue plastic. Same goes for the other blue plastic. Put the blue plastic like this onto the tabletop. Arrange all the pieces like this when use the wrench to tighten it. Do this for all the screws and the other leg. Make sure once done, from the top of the tabletop, no screw shall stick out, otherwise it would block the material during operation. Find the router, take off those bottom screws and the plastic. Install the router from the tabletop's bottom. Make sure the direction is exactly look like this. The black handle should face the power switch and the holes are aligned. Use screwdriver to tighten the router. Those three black plastic rings is used for different sizes of router bits. Like this one, it is now using 1/4 inch bits. I believe this router table can also use 1/2 inch bits. To install the bracket, loosen those nuts like this and then insert into the slots. Move to the desired location, tighten those, then you are done. This small metal piece is to hold the material during operation like this. Those accessories can be installed in different ways. Either both on the same side or one on each side, like this. They are also used to keep the material in place during operation. To change the router bit, use this long wrench that comes with it. Loosen the router by opening this latch. Insert the wrench into this slot, and then turn it. It will rise or lower the router. Lastly, let's see how it cuts. This is my first time use a table router, so just use this result as a reference. It seems so-so, so make your own call to get it or not.